Okay, I'm going to show you how I made this cradle right here fit my Samsung Moment. I don't have another phone, and I don't have my DC power cable, but I'm going to show you how to make this phone work for the Samsung Moment, or this cradle work for the Samsung Moment. Has the micro USB. This is actually a charging cradle I found on Amazon for the Blackjack 2. And the Samsung Moment battery fits perfectly in this area right here. All I did was I took this piece right here, and it just pops off. You got to pull pretty hard, but it pops right out. And what you do is I just took a pair of needle nose pliers and busted off the pieces because it had two little things that go in like this that held the Blackjack 2 in place. I just broke them off and made a little spot right here for this. And then I took my soldering iron and I melted, well, that's really bad. I melted a spot right here because the camera button would hit it, and I didn't want that. So I melted a little spot right there for the camera button to sit in. Then I'll show you how I wired in this USB cable. Hang on, let me do this. Take out, just poke a hole through the bottom of these screws. Let me take them out real quick and I'll show you. Yes, I am recording this on my Samsung Moment. Probably should have got a real camera considering I'm doing a review for a product for this, or a how-to on a product for this. Oh well. The things you need are this cradle from Amazon, and I'll put a link in my the comments area, or in the info or whatever. But first you remove the back plate. Then you removed your old wire that had this tip on it. I broke off the thing to see how it was wired so I could wire on this one, but it's just a standard USB. Then you remove this whole cable. Let's do it over there. Then it's what you want is a full Samsung brand charging cable. I'm sure it'll work with other micro USBs. I just haven't tried it. I went ahead and bought a second Samsung brand one, like the one that comes with the phone. Then I took it and I cut the cable to the same length as the old cable that was on there, this one. And I ran it, and I made it a little bit longer, just in case. And I ran it inside. Well, it turns out that this wire right here, let me turn over here so you can get a little bit more light. This wire right here, it goes up to this front LED. Now, the micro USB uses the same ground as the negative. So if you put your ground wire to like the outside of the plug, the metal part, to this spot right here, it'll short this out, and it won't work. So what you have to do is you just cut off the ground part altogether. You won't be able to charge the phone with the DC jack, but you can plug in a USB and still do it. And it works great. All I did was I took the old wire, wrote down where the colors went. It starts off from right to left, black, green, white, and red. And this negative on the LED out for the blue LED, run the blue LED right to the ground, the black wire on the USB. Maybe a little bit hard to solder, but it's totally worth it because when you plug in the USB, the LED will come on as opposed to just plugging in the DC jack and the phone coming on. So it's just a lot less annoying. But that's all I did. I need to put some hot glue right here and right here to glue this wire in place, but everything works. My phone sits in it perfectly. I wish I could show you, but like I said, I'm using the phone right now to take this video. But yeah, try it out and tell me if it works for you guys. I got a lot of help from several forums. So If you need help, you can probably find me on SDX forum or the Samsung Moment forums. My name is DJ Aloop or Aloop, either one. Until next time, bye.